watching SBCTA Today, bringing you the latest San Bernardino County transportation updates to keep you moving. I'm Sarah, and today I'm standing on the Mount Vernon Avenue Bridge. The Mount Vernon Avenue Bridge has served San Bernardino for many years. It's an iconic structure bridging the city of San Bernardino West End communities to the north and south, and it's showing its age and in desperate need of improvements. To ensure the safety and longevity of the bridge, the city of San Bernardino and Caltrans have partnered with SBCTA to give this long-standing member of the community the facelift it deserves.
On December 21st, crews will begin to prepare the bridge for reconstruction. The first step is to completely close the bridge, meaning no cars, trucks, buses, bicycles, or people will be able to use or cross the bridge for the next 3 years. Did you know there are active railroad tracks underneath the Mount Vernon Avenue Bridge? Once the bridge is disassembled, over the next 2 years, the railroad will perform its work to modify their area below the bridge to make room for the brand new structure in the future. While commuter and freight trains will continue to travel in and out of the rail yard, this will be an active construction site, and it's no place for trespassing. It's both illegal and unsafe. Don't be alarmed if you wonder why you may not be seeing much activity. It's all happening below in the rail yard. And once the railroad has completed its work, our crews can come back in to begin reconstruction efforts to build the new Mount Vernon Avenue Bridge, making it better, stronger, and more reliable for generations to come. We know how important the bridge is to the local community and that it serves as a vital connection to access the market, visit family, and attend church services. Although businesses will remain open during construction, Mount Vernon Avenue and the bridge will be completely closed between 2nd Street and 5th Street beginning December 2020. Safety is of our utmost importance throughout construction. Both pedestrian and motorist traffic will be detoured during the closure. To ensure you have a safe and reliable alternative to access places of interest across the bridge, SBCTA has partnered with Omnitrans to provide a complimentary bus service to assist pedestrians, bicyclists, and the disabled who might be impacted while the bridge is closed for construction. If you use the Mount Vernon Avenue Bridge for everyday life, we want to be sure you have access to construction and detour information, and we ask that you spread the word with your friends, family, or neighbors. Vehicle detours will also be in place to navigate the closure. You can access the project's interactive Google map to find the latest vehicle and pedestrian detours that will be in place for the next few years as the bridge is rebuilt. We anticipate the new Mount Vernon Avenue Bridge will reopen in 2024, providing a reliable connection for westside San Bernardino communities. It will include design features to capture the bridge's rich history and include wider travel lanes, a center median, sidewalks, and new bike lanes. Be sure to follow us online at gosbcta.com and sign up to receive project information sent directly to your inbox. We plan, we build, you move.